Alright, just want to do a wee shop update here for you. I got some new tools. I got the new Milwaukee 3rd gen drill, and I got the 2nd gen impact driver. I went for the 2nd gen because I already have the 3rd gen. There's one thing I don't like about it is the wee chuck here. Sometimes this here pulls out. That's a wee bit annoying. So I just said I'll try the 2nd gen, see what it's like. I haven't used this yet. So the reason why I got an all drill and an all impactor, I want to keep 2 of everything in the van. So I want to have 2 drills, 2 impact drivers, 2 grinders, 2 reciprocating saws, just because I do a lot of work in the middle of nowhere on farms and stuff, all over Ireland. So I could be stuck on a roof. If the impact driver breaks and needed, I won't be able to complete the job, or if my drill breaks, I won't be able to complete the job. So I just want to keep 2 of everything in the van, so if something breaks, I always have a spare one. So the next thing I want to buy is an all grinder. So I want to have 2 of these, and then eventually I want to have 2 reciprocating saws. I think I'll go for the brushless one this time. And then another thing I use a lot is this here. This is the new Milwaukee impact driver. It's 1/2 inch. So I ended up getting this wee adapter for it. So it'll take wee chucks like this. So I keep a 7mm socket in it for these here. I use a lot of these here. It takes a 7mm socket, so it does. So the impact driver was struggling to put these into the roof. It felt like it was going to break, so that's why I got this, and then got this wee adapter for it. So I'll just show you the difference. This is a bit of wood here. These bolts go on the rafters, going along the farm roofs. Some of them's wooden and some of them's metal, but most of the time they're wooden. There's different fixings for the metal. So I use this impact driver to put these screws in. You can just drive these into the wood with this here without drilling a hole, and it takes a better grip. Whereas before, you have to drill like a 7mm hole, 6 or 7mm hole, and then use your impactor in order to drive it in. But by using this here, I don't even have to drill a pilot hole, it'll just drive it in, no problem. So that's the reason why I have that. There's no holes in this. I'll just show you. This is the 3rd gen one, and this is the type of screws that I use to fit these brackets onto the roof, the rafters. So you put 2 of these into every bracket. So I'll put one in here so you can see it here. Takes a lot of force to put one of them screws in. I'll try out this 2nd gen one, see what it's like. I've never tried this one. It does it alright, just as good as that one, I think. Hopefully the chuck's better in this one, it feels better. But that's it, that's them new tools there. I just thought I'd show you them. use them a wee bit so you can see what they're like. But I'll bring these over and show you what we want to try to fix here today. So I want to try fixing this today. It needs new cogs on it, because when you look under, I'll show you better when it's on the bench. When you look under, these three cogs is wore out. So this here isn't going up and down anymore. And if you do crank it hard, it starts to go uneven. So I want to change all four of these. I don't know how complicated it's going to be, but I want to give it a go. And then once I do that, maybe build a wee, see, instead of these metal legs, a wee box with wheels on it, so I can wheel it about to make it handier, because it's very hard to move this thing. It's very heavy, so it is. So I'll move these two tools out of the way here and get it set on the bench to see if I can fix it. Alright, so I just opened that up there. I couldn't get it onto the bench because it was too heavy, so I just threw it on top of this toolbox. But you can see these wee cogs here. That one there is not too bad. That one's bad. That one's bad, and that one. See this cog here is all wore out. That one there is a wee bit wore out. That one there is the worst. So I'll change these cogs. That one there seems alright, so I might put that one there because there's only 4 of them here and there's 5 of them needed. Alright, you can see that one there is all damaged, so it is. So I'll take all these out here. There's a wee bit of filtering to do with this one, and then get this here leveled up. I need to screw this right down to the bottom and then put the new cogs on. So I'll get back to you when I do that. Alright, that's that sorted. It ended up being a bit harder than I expected, but that's it working now. Took me a while to get this to the table that moves up and down. I had to screw the whole thing out so I could get it all level. This here was too stiff. That's why it started, I think that's why it started breaking these ones, because when I went to take it off, went to spin it, it was locked. So I ended up just making my own using these 3 burns here. These type of burns here. And then just put 3 of them on. I only need 2 on, like, but I just put 3 on anyway, so I did. So seems to work dead on there now. I think it's better than it was before. So that's it done. I didn't record doing this here because it was too fiddly. It took me too long to figure out. But I'm going to put this back on to here, put the belt and all back on, and then I think I'm going to just cut these legs off with a grinder, and then make a wee mobile base for this to sit on, and put wheels on it so I can move it about. Alright, so I have these wheels, these spare wheels. This is what I came up with. Instead of building a wee box, I just cut about 4 inches off these feet, and then cut a bit of timber with a wee angle on it there, just to fit in there. So I'm going to do the same here. So it's going to fit in there. And then these feet can go on here, so they can. Put a wee bit of wood across here and here. And that'll do it. Alright, that's it. That's them wheels screwed on. They're not the best of wheels, but they'll do for now. You can lock these two. But I'll maybe change them to better wheels. They're just the wee wheels off the metal toolboxes that were cheap, so they were. But set it on the ground here and see if it's slack. That thing's heavy, so it is. So that's the wheels on it there. You can lock them as well. Just have to finish putting the thing back together. And that should do it. But I'll just finish off putting this back together and then get back to you. Alright, I'm just going to see if this works now. I'll put them wheels and stuff on it there, so I'll try it out here. Alright, that's just a quick wee test just to make sure it's working alright. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Just a wee workshop vlog on fixing that thickness planer and showing you the Milwaukee tools that I use. As I say, I want to get some more Milwaukee tools as well, and then maybe do another van tour once I have it all finished. So if you've made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and if there's any other videos I can do for you, just let me know in the comments, and anything you want to know, I should get back to you. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Thanks.